Want to make your Shopify store look more professional and trustworthy? One of the easiest ways to do that is just by connecting your own custom domain instead of using that long myshopify.com address. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple ways to do that. The easy automatic method directly through Shopify and a cheaper alternative using a third-party domain provider like GoDaddy. Let's jump in and set up your professional store domain, all right? So you have two main ways to connect a custom domain to your Shopify store. Okay, so let's go to the first one is the easy method where you buy the domain directly from Shopify. Shopify will take care of everything for you. And the second method requires a bit more manual work, but it can sometimes be cost effective if you're looking to, save a few dollars. All right, so don't worry, I'm going to walk you through both methods step by step. All right, so let's start with the easiest method that will let Shopify do the domain connection from A to Z. Okay, so first what you do is you open Shopify dashboard and then you go to settings and then click domains. Now click on buy new domain, right? And here you can search for the domain name you want. Let's try Zen Flex Yoga, for example. All right, so I can see it's available with several endings like .com, .net, .store, and so on. Here's a quick pro tip. Always try to go with .com if you can, because it gives your store a more credible and professional look. And I can see that the price is $15 per year, which is pretty standard, all right? Of course, the shorter and the more direct domains like yoga.com, can cost much more, and even if they're available, probably they won't. All right, but I'm happy with this one. Then you just click here, buy domain like that. And then Shopify takes care of everything automatically. Like your default Shopify domain, the one that ends with myshopify.com will be replaced in a matter of like 1 to 4 hours with your new professional custom domain. Let's move to the second option, okay, which is buying your domain from a third-party provider like GoDaddy and connecting it manually to Shopify. This method takes a few more steps, but it sometimes can be cheaper and you will have more flexibility managing your domain. So let's just go ahead to GoDaddy.com like that, and then we search for the same domain, zenflexyoga.com like that. I can see here that GoDaddy is offering it for 1 cent if you buy it for 3 years upfront. But if you prefer, just go year by year, simply add the domain to the cart and adjust to 1 year. And now it's $11.99 per year, which is about $3 cheaper than buying directly from Shopify. Now, once you complete your domain purchase, you do have to wait about like 20 minutes. And then you go back to your Shopify dashboard and then you go to domains and then you click here, connect existing domain. And now you type your full domain. In our case is zenflexyoga.com. And then Shopify will automatically detect that this domain was purchased from GoDaddy. And then you just click here, connect directly. And here's a quick tip for me. Make sure that you're logged into your GoDaddy account on the same computer that you're using Shopify, because it really helps the connection process go much smoother. All right, and then you'll be redirected to GoDaddy where you just have to simply click here, connect. Now, you do have to give a few hours, usually between like 1 to 4 hours for the connection to fully complete. And then once you see a green connected text next to your domain inside Shopify, you're good to go. And then you can just go visit your store's URL and boom, like that, you have a professional domain and it's live, right? No more myshopify.com. Your store now looks clean, professional, polished, and ready to make sales. And that's it. Now, if you know exactly how to connect your custom domain to your Shopify store, whether you buy it directly through Shopify or use a cheaper option like GoDaddy, this small step instantly makes your store look more branded, professional, and ready to build customer trust, okay? And if you want to take things, a bit further, find winning products, track competitors, and base your business decisions on real data, not guesswork, you can try Zik Analytics today for only $1 for the first week. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.